Hello friends, let's crochet together a little cute crab. We need 2 colors of YarnArt Jeans and the size of my hook is 1.6. Also we need safety eyes, black and white threads and fiber fill. We'll start from the smallest details, the legs. Make a magic loop and 4 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull the thread, there is no hole in the middle, and we make a slip stitch in the first loop. And a chain. In the second round, we make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. And in the third loop we make 4 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch, a chain. Cut this thread or hide it inside the detail. Fold in half and make single crochets through the opposite loops. 1, 2. A chain, turn around, and we make 4 single crochets, but just for the one side of the loop. 1, 2, turn around, 3, and 4. A slip stitch, a chain. In the next round, 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, fold in half, and 2 single crochets. 1, 2, a chain, and cut the thread. Make another legs in the same way. Now let's make the claws. We start from the bigger part. Make a magic loop and 5 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round. And a chain. In the second round, we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then increase 2 single crochets in 1 loop and 2 single crochets, 1, 2, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the third round, we make 2 single crochets, 2 increases, the first, the second, and 2 single crochets. 1, 2, a slip stitch, a chain. Now we have 8 loops in the round and we make 2 rounds without changes for 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch, a chain, and 1 more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch, a chain, cut the thread and hide it inside. Make the smaller part. A magic loop, 5 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round, we make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A slip stitch, a chain. In the third round, we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2. Then increase in the third loop, 2 single crochets in one loop, and then 2 single crochets till the end of the round. 1, 2. A slip stitch, a chain. And in the next round we make 1 single crochet, 2 decreases. We make 1 single crochet in 2 loops. The first decrease, the second decrease, 1 single crochet in the last loop, a slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, and we don't cut the thread. We crochet 2 parts together. In the bigger part, we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then 2 decreases. The first decrease, the second decrease, and 2 single crochets. 1, 2. In the smaller part, we have 4 loops here. We make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 1 single crochet. A slip stitch in the first loop of the round and a chain. In the next round we make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and repeat a single crochet, 1 decrease, a single crochet, and a decrease, a slip stitch, a chain. We have 6 loops in the round, and we make the next 2 rounds without changes for 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, a chain, and 1 more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, a chain, cut the thread, and make the second claw in the same way. We've made the smallest details, and see you in the next part.